Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I craft imaginations in Twist and Mist. This is a very basic tutorial showing you how to finalize your silk screens and use them with polymer clay. Once your HTV is weeded, you put it on top of your silk screen mesh piece. Get a few pieces of heat tape, and this is going to allow you to keep your pieces together while they are fusing when you are using your heat source. This tape is specifically made for heat, so it won't melt when you put your iron or whatever you're using to fuse it together. For HTV, depending on the manufacturer, you have to follow the recommended settings. I am using 300 degrees and 15 seconds with slight pressure. And my HTV requires a hot or warm peel. And a tip of advice is make sure you use paper on both sides, the bottom and the top. But the material I'm using allows me to prevent the HTV from sticking to the material, so it's easier to pull. Once you have pulled your cover sheet from the HTV, you want to grab a sharp pair of scissors, and trimming the excess is highly recommended because it's going to allow you to preserve your silk screen. Silkscreen is a type of cloth material, so like any cloth that you cut is going to whittle in the ends. So cutting this to the portions where the HTV ends allows you to preserve your material. Here I am using my marble top and I am cleaning it with my knife blade. I like to use one surface for everything because wherever I am crafting, that's where I bake. I go ahead and condition my black clay and lay it down and make sure it's completely flat against the surface. I lay my silk screen so that the HTV portion is down and the silk screen is up. For my paints, I use enamel paint because it's bakeable and permanent, so it is also thicker than most acrylic paints. So it is perfect for this. You can use any other acrylic paints if you don't have enamel paint. Now all you need is your cutters. I design and print my own. I am using a planchette, a dagger, and coffins. And I believe I call this collection my dark Hamsa collection, and it's currently listed in my shop. Once you have your pieces situated and cut, go ahead and lift the excess, and you may want to I use a pick tool so that I go around the edges once I have used my cutters. And what this allows me to do is eliminate the excess. So do you see the little edges? There's a couple that are missed, so when you use your pick tool, it allows you to clean up your pieces before they're baked, and that's less time that you spend on sanding. One thing I forgot to mention is once you use these, you need to wash them with warm water. Here is the final product. I hope you enjoyed this really quick tutorial. Don't forget to like and share.